Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. I've got a weekly how-to again for you guys, and this week I have the 180 bunny hop. Before I start explaining anything else, I want to ask you guys to hit the subscribe button. If you don't want to subscribe, that's fine. Just know I try to release a new how-to video every single Friday. So 180 bunny hop. It's a fairly basic beginner street type of trick. It'll probably be one of the first tricks you'll learn. I'm gonna explain it to you guys. It's not that hard, so hopefully you guys will, with some little tips from me, will be able to do this trick yourself. There's two things you want to be able to do before you start learning the 180 bunny hop. One would be actual good bunny hops, and two, at least being able to fakie a little bit. You don't have to be the best at fakies, but it helps if you have the fakie under control. To get started, you want to pick a speed you feel comfortable at. Try to have a little bit of speed going into the trick, not a lot, but just a little bit of speed, because it makes going backwards a lot easier. Obviously the way your feet stand up opposed to like the way you spin, that's a preference, but kind of as a rule of thumb, you want to have right foot forward, spin to the left, left foot forward, spin to the right. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Going into the trick, I'd suggest you carve into the trick a little bit. Carving means you come in at a slight angle, so you like turn into the trick. That makes it a lot easier for you to complete the 180 rotation. As soon as you start the bunny hop, you're going to turn your head, twist your upper body, and try to spot where you want to land. If you think you're not going to spin hard enough, you could try to throw in the hips as well. So the combination of carving and turning your upper body, that's what's going to make the 180 rotation go a lot easier. Personally, I think that it makes it a lot easier that when you actually bunny hop and both wheels are off the ground, to pull in your legs at the same time. And by pulling in your legs, you kind of just gain a couple extra centimeters, a couple extra inches of space for you to finish your rotation. The straighter you're able to land, the easier it's going to be to go backwards. Hopefully you finish the full rotation and you landed basically on the spot you were looking at. That's when you try to go out of the fakie. Now if you don't know how to fakie, or you just need to get up to date again, click on that button and then you go to how to fakie. Like every week I ask you guys to leave me a comment down below of whatever trick you guys want to learn next. I'll add it to the list and then I get to film this. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and do whatever it is that YouTube does. See ya.